Jumping up and down the floor. My heart isn't anymore. And once there was an animal. It had a son that mowed the lawn. His son was an okay guy. They had a pet dragonfly. The dragonfly ran away, but it came back with a story to say.
Это наш старт, да?
She went down the forest slopes, the forest of talking trees. They used to sing about the birds and the bees. The bees had 6 of war. The sky wasn't big enough for them all. The birds, they got help from below, from dirty ponds and the creatures of snow. La la la, la 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 la, la la la. They were scared down in their homes. The forest that once was green was colored black by us killing monsters. But she and her furry friends took down the queen, began her men. And that's how the story goes. The story of the beast with those 4 tiny paws. La la la, la 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 la, la la la,
Ayılgan
Atının istebin Lıhtın tengeve keter kurduk bun min Bılıtı ve hennen Günün aydın min settihen Koyarga taksan tel bolanılı bun min Bugün nelemen uykulakda duga Jalak Habibin, Jalak Habibin Bu sırdık karanlığa Cikti da Allah'a Jalak Habibin, Jalak Habibin Bugün nelemen uykulakda duga Jalak Habibin, Jalak Habibin Bu sırdık karanlığa Cikti da Allah'a Jalak Habibin, Jalak Habibin
Дамы и господа, добро пожаловать в Республику Саха-Якутия. На сегодня хотел вас в аэропорту Владимир Якутск.